Get excited about the 2013 GMC Terrain. This model accommodates 5 passengers comfortably and provides features such as a trip computer, an automatic dimming rear view mirror, front fog lights, heated door mirrors, and a split folding rear seat. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Premium sound drives 8 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. When road conditions become unpredictable, rely on all-wheel drive to maintain outstanding control. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Stop in and take a test drive.